Stop memorizing IELTS speaking answers. It's killing your score. Many students memorize full answers so they can sound fluent, but examiners can hear this immediately. This sounds memorized. In modern society, technology plays a pivotal role. That's an essay. It's not real speaking. Instead, speak naturally. Use simpler words. Use pauses. Use feeling. Like this. Technology totally changed how we communicate. Train flexibility. Answer the same question 3 different ways. Same idea, different words. Speak freely, not perfectly. That's how you score higher. In my book, Speak with Heart, available at Amazon.com, shows you how to stop memorizing and start speaking.